Hi everyone, welcome to the Blackout Tinting Emergency Service Division shop. Today we have Everson Fire Department's Engine 2 in the shop today. Everson Fire Company chose the Wheelin' Freedom Edge light bar. It does red when it's in park mode, and in drive mode the two whites will come on in the bar. Everson was also looking for an idea for their headlights. So in the low high beam module we went with the Firetrucks headlight with the lit halo. This will help give more visibility at night over the halogen counterpart next to it. Everson was also looking for something to help them out for a little bit of visibility around the truck at night. We replaced their old ground scene lighting with some new Phoenix AM 900s. Everson was also looking to improve their scene lighting around the sides and back of the truck. We took the halogen bulbs off and we put on the Phoenix 9x7 wide lux on each corner of the side. For the rear beacons, we got rid of the halogen bulbs and went over to our AM 600 LED rotators. As you see, many flash patterns. Set it to whatever you want. On the back, they had more halogen white scene lighting. We went ahead and changed them over to our LED, our Phoenix 9x7 wide lux. We want to thank everybody for stopping by today and watching our video on Everson's upfit. Stay tuned to YouTube and all the other social media sites for more of our upfit videos, and have a great day.